So this screencast just presents some of the key questions there are when looking at this dynamic exponential function, k times a to the power of bx plus c, when all those are dynamic constants. So first question I want to ask is, well, why at the moment is it a straight line? You start messing with a, so well, what happens as a gets bigger? Okay, what happens as a gets smaller? Why is it doing that, flipping from one side to another? What's significant there? What's happening? What makes it reflect itself there? What if I change k? How's that changing? And y-intercept appears to be changing. But what's staying the same? Again, there's more kind of reflection going on there, but some things are staying constant. And what about if I start messing with c? Well, what's happening with c? What kind of movement is going on there? How could we describe it? And then lastly, what happens when I start messing with b? All the way from one slider to the other. Very similar effect to a, but let's just go back to a again there and have a look at what happens, because there was a limit. I stopped before, I never took a into the negative, so it's kind of going backwards and forwards like b was. But what happens when I take a into the negative? And it's just disappeared. Why is that? What's happening there when a is negative? Suddenly we've got this whole function disappearing. First it stops there when it's 0, and then it disappears. So these are key questions to ask about this exponential function.